Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to import Telegram wallet to TonKeeper. So first and foremost, what you're going to do is simple. Click on these three lines over here, then select wallet. So after that, you'll be able to log into your wallet of Telegram. As you can see, this is my wallet of Telegram. So what you're going to do is simple. Click on the settings gear icon. Now, once on the settings gear icon, you need to locate the Ton beta space over here, or the Ton space beta. Okay, so you open it. So once you open the Ton space beta, tap on this. So copy this recovery code. So once you're done copying that recovery code, what you'll do is quite simple. Now head to your TonKeeper wallet. So I'll head to my TonKeeper wallet. So as you all know, the TonKeeper wallet sometimes takes long to load, but you have to be patient and then load it slowly by slowly. Until it's done loading, we shall see what to do next. So I'm currently on my TonKeeper wallet, and as you can see, it's still loading. As I said, the TonKeeper wallet really takes long. Alright, so now it's done loading. What you'll do is simple. Click on this drop down arrow up and then click on add wallet. Once you click on add wallet, click on add existing wallet. So once you click on add existing wallet over here, you'll need to paste the recovery code over here. Okay, so you click on paste. So once you click on paste recovery code, click on continue. And then once you click on continue, you would have imported your Telegram wallet onto your TonKeeper. So just click on continue over here. And then once you click on continue, just input your passcode and then confirm. Everything is now successful. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.